A warm welcome to everyone from the SalesPanda team. In this particular segment of our digital marketing video series, we will learn how to run ads on Facebook. Facebook is the most used social media ad platform. You can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, as well as Facebook's partner website network through Facebook's ad platform. When it comes to ad revenues, Facebook is the leading social media platform as it represents 75% of the market. It earns 40% of the annual digital display advertising revenue. It has become increasingly effective in creating a level playing field for businesses of all sizes. The average price of an ad has decreased by 4% in 2019, whereas the number of ad impressions has increased by 33%. And if you look at how audiences interact with the ads, we find that on an average, a Facebook user clicks on 11 ads per month. That's why it is very important to learn about Facebook advertising and how you can leverage it for your business. Let's now set up your Facebook account to enable you to run your ads. The first step in this process is to create a business manager account. A business manager account allows you to create and manage multiple ad accounts, multiple Facebook pages, define roles to people who work on them, and provide insights about the ad performances, all from one centralized location. Open a new tab and type in the URL https://business.facebook.com. If you scroll down, Facebook tells us about the need to choose a business manager. As mentioned earlier, you needed to manage your ad accounts, pages, people, and understand ad performance. You can read more in detail about the business manager in this section. Let us click on Create Account. It will ask you to log into your existing Facebook account. Once you log in, it takes you back to the Business Manager page, where you have to click again on Create Account. It shows a pop-up window. Fill up details about your business like your business and account name, email ID, office address, etc. Choose whether you are creating an account to promote your services or promote services to other businesses. Now click Submit. After that, it sends an email to your email ID for verification. Till the time email is not verified, it will show the red strip that you are seeing, which prompts you to verify the email ID. You can create pages, add accounts, and manage people from here as well. Log into your email ID and verify your email address. After email verification, it will take you to the business settings page. Click on the Add Account section on the left navigation menu. At the center, you can see the Add option. When you click on it, it gives you three options. Option number 1, Add an ad account. If you already have an ad account, you can add it here. Option number 2, Request access to an ad account. Used if you want to provide access to your employees or outsourced marketing vendors. Option number 3, Create a new ad account. To create an ad account, let us select the third option. Now give a name to the ad account. Select your time zone and currency. As you can see, it says there's no payment method available. We will come to it in a bit. Click on Next. It asks you to select whether it's used for your own business or your client. Select the option A. If you are going to manage it on your own, then add people who would be managing the ad account and assign specific roles to them. Ideally, you should keep yourself as an admin if you own the business and assign standard access to other employees or your marketing vendor. You can add a payment method by going to the Payment Methods option. Click on Add Payment Method. Add a credit card or a debit card payment method to your account. Add the details as per the instructions. You can add a payment method from the payment section here as well in the left-hand navigation pane. You can connect your Instagram account from the Business Manager. The Business Info section contains all the details of your Business Manager account. We have set up the Business Manager, created an ad account, and added a payment method. You are now ready to start running ads. In the next video, we will create an ad and understand various concepts in the process of ad creation. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.